So how to install a Waterllama home screen widget, the lock screen widget. So here's the app. This app is basically your uh, hydration reminder. So every day you kind of get some notifications to get hydrated, to drink water. It's pretty simple app, but it's super handy and it's great idea. And yeah, also now here you can have widgets. So you can just tap in the widgets and settings menu. You can customize different colors, different setups, and then yeah, you can just tap and hold, and then app start jiggle, and then tap plus in the top left, and then you can just search for Waterllama, and then there you have it. And then here you will just see the daily goal widget, which motivates you to keep track of your hydration goal. And then you have different types of it, and then yeah, you'll just be able to add this widget and then just tap done. And then this is how it looks like. Basically you will see that okay, today you drank like 20% of your goal. So usually you need to drink like 2 liters of water, and then you drank like 400 milliliters or something. And that's basically these types of widget. You can always add it or remove it. If you want to install lock screen widget, just tap on wallpaper, tap on customize, and then add widgets and search for Waterllama. And then yeah, from here you can just find it, this one, and then here you can just add widgets to add water from your lock screen. Tap on the widget after installing to change the cup size. Then there is like a daily goal, and then there is a daily goal from here. So then you can just tap, and then you will see your progress towards the daily hydration goal. So yeah, that's what it is. And then don't forget to tap done in the top right, and you will save it from the lock screen. Maybe from lock screen it even makes more sense because you instantly see yeah, just your hydration goal, or you can just add cups quite fast. So that's what it is.